This is LeetCode question number 49, group anagram. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given an array of string, group anagram together. Anagram is the word, same element of word, character of word, frequency is same. In this case, E1, A1, T1. This case T1, E1, A1. So EAT and TA is anagram. So ATE, EAT, TA is anagram, and AT, TAN is anagram, BAT is anagram. How can solve the question? There are maybe three ways to implement it. First is using list. So we make the 26 item in list, from 0 index to 25 index. And then 0 index is represent frequency of A, and then 25 is represent frequency of the Z. So E means E1, A1, T1. So we can compare with this one with another 25 items in list. If it's the same, one iteration is we can find out this one is same anagram or not. And then another way is we also use the map, also similar to use list. The last is using hash map. Hash table. This one is very simple solution. In this time, I will use hash table. Okay, let's implement it. First, I will make the map, and then I will iteration for words in stars, and then I will make one variable, name is hash sum is 0, and then I will iterate a character in words to add the all sum in hash character characters hash code of word. In this time, okay, hash sum hash character. And then if hash sum in map, I will append word to map hash sum. As I will make map hash sum is array words. I return map values. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. Okay, in this time complex is there are one linear time. If n is number of character, and space complexity is if m is word of m is frequency of word. M is number of word, not character, because map is key is word. So space complexity is OM. M is number of word. Thank you.